Hello everybody, welcome back. Dr. Marc DuPéré, plastic surgeon, VISAGE Clinic here in Toronto, Canada. First, I want to say thank you to my patient for this filming. This is lipedema surgery, something I show you guys often. We do 1 to 3 cases every week for the last 10 years or so. This lady, as most lipedema patients I see, are concerned about their legs, occasionally from their arms. And this particular lady is more concerned about this part. So we're not really touching the thigh except for a little bit in the inner thigh, but we're touching the ankle, calf, around the knee. I'm doing her pockets here as well. It's common to see little pockets on the feet. Now, I have done this part just now. You can see the big difference despite the swelling and a little bit of tumescent solution versus her non-operated leg here. I've already removed 1.7 liters, so 1,700 ml of fat, which is a large amount for a small area. I'm going to repeat the same here, and then I'm going to flip her and do the part that I cannot do from the back, from the front. Lipedema surgery is an important component of our practice. We make many ladies very happy with this procedure, and they're very happy to not have to travel afar anymore because we have this center in Canada. Thank you for watching.